Welcome to the CryptoNest. So, the bubbles are green on the banter bubble, then you go on the crypto bubble, less green. If I take, for example, Phantom, it's 20% up. Here it's 26% up, but in real life, it's actually minus 6.7%. So be careful with that. Not a perfect science, not reliable as TradingView. Usually it work well, so I don't know if something, a setting that it changed on my computer or something, but just wanted to warn you out there. Now I'm getting very bored and annoyed with Arbitrum. I did enter a trade, I think it was about $2. Long time ago, I thought it was going to go. Actually, that was a little bit premature as an entry at $2 around here. Very premature, I would say, because ideally would have waited here, but I wasn't able to do that trend because this happened after I bought it. And yeah, so I think it's because it went down and started to go higher, and I did see this trend here, and it was kind of following. I said, okay, maybe it's going to break it, but then after it fell down. Anyway, now I'm back about the same level. You can see we're doing kind of a side pennant, side consolidation. Let's see if we can skyrocket now. And next target. Okay, so if I say this is the one, this is the two. God, I put it very far, this little thing. Let me put it near. Okay, so this one, it's not even the 1-2 projection. I only took, because it's a new coin, right? So I just did the fib retracement of the top to the bottom. I added 1.618. We're going $2.48. This is a new coin, so less reliable. Now let's see if I do the fib extension of this 1-2. I'm pretty much sure it's crazy high. I'm sure it's busted the 1.618 for sure. So yeah, maybe the 3x now. Okay, so we did the 3x, and after that now we're doing this corrective movement. As you can see, if I take this third wave, I'm going to add the 1.618 because it does act as the 3-wave up. And although the third wave, we could say that this is a 5-wave movement, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But anyway, let's give a benefit of the doubt. For the moment, you can see that it did almost reach the 0.618, and now it's going. Let's see how it goes with that. Yeah, so next target, yeah, we don't know, right? So let me put 3.618 and maybe the 4.618. But then when you start to have those numbers, then you know that your count, it's a little bit off. More likely this is a 1-2. Maybe this is another 1-2. Yeah, that's the thing. There must be another 1-2 hidden there. So if this is 1-2, this could be another. Take the brush now. This could be another 1-2. This is maybe the 3. This was the 4, very deep one, and this is the 5th. And this would complete just the third wave. Yeah, so it goes it's about the same then. I'm getting at the same count anyway. And this is the 4th, and now we're going to do the 5th one. Okay, so yeah, that's for that. And yeah, pretty much what I want to cover today. You can see that the RSI also you reached lower levels. Third wave RSI was kind of high. stock RSI is not, it's overbought, so maybe its price is still going to go a little bit on the side and wait for that stock RSI to go lower. Who knows? Market, it's unpredictable, and you know, it's, I like to have a gauge for lower time frame. You can see that now the 4 hours the stock RSI is oversold. So if this is what I look when I want to enter to a trade, because usually if the stock RSI is at the top and the RSI is at the top, I'm not expecting price to go higher, and then you can see every time it happens, it do fall. Now for long term, yeah, it can stay overbought for an extended period of time, but I find that when you go to a smaller time frame, it does give you a nice indication. If everybody is overbought, really rare that yeah, the crypto is still the coin is still going to go higher. Anyway, that's my 2 cents. But once again, those are indicators. That's extra points when you the most important thing is really the price action, right? So we do have some trend lines, we do have MAs, we do have fib retracements, we have previous resistance and support here. So this is how and what you should rely on. Indicators is just an extra point. Do I have stock RSI overbought or oversold? Okay, +1, -1, something like that, you know. Some people even go and they have a system with points. The more points they have, more probabilities are that the trade is going to be successful. I don't do that. Other people, they find that trends are useless or not that helpful. You know, out there are so many ways of trading, so many techniques. At the end of the day, do what best work for you. Me, I kind of sometimes combine kind of everything, and it depends. Sometimes you have a stock or a crypto that it really respect a trend line, and then you follow that trend line, and it's kind of easy. Others, it's like if you just follow the MA50, always act as a support, and until it doesn't break substantially, you're good to go. So you know, it's like it's custom made. You need to look for an indicator that really suits that chart, I would say, anyway. And that's the challenge, because you can spend 2 minutes and 2 hours, and if you put the good indicator on, or you, yeah, and then it just makes sense, and then it's there, right? And then others, you're going to try to figure out, and then there isn't, you know, you just cannot find the good indicator that help you to gauge the chart. And at one certain point, if you try, and if you cannot get it, you know, just need to give up. Maybe it's the chart that's unreliable. This is why you cannot make it sense, right? It doesn't make sense. Sorry. Okay, so this is pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys. This is Arbitrum. And yeah, I'm expecting next target. Let's see if it does happen. Hopefully you enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.